Okay, I'm here with Johanna Bergstrom-Roos from Spaceport, Sweden, and I wanted to see if you could give us a progress report on where Spaceport, Sweden is right now.
Where we are right now, well, the aim of Spaceport Sweden is to become the European gateway to space, and we're based in Kiruna, the town of Kiruna, above the Arctic Circle in Sweden, northern parts. We have teamed up different space organizations, companies, tourist company, also business development company, and we have formed Spaceport Sweden.
Okay.
And what we're doing right now is to transform our space, or our airport, I should say, to a spaceport for commercial space flights.
And you're gonna initially want to fly with Virgin Galactic.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah, we're open for any operator who is interested in doing these kind of flights from Kiruna and Spaceport Sweden.
Have you been talking to other companies as well?
Yeah, we talk
Okay.
to a lot of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you name any of them, or is that secret?
Well, I'll name them when we have something to talk about.
Okay.
You know, we talk to all of the guys who are here, of course, to try to figure out. The most important thing for a spaceport is to figure out what are the needs for the different vehicles.
Right.
So evolving into an important spaceport that really can do what we're looking to do is very much a question of teamwork together with the actors involved.
Right. What are the benefits of flying out of Sweden as opposed to, say, here we are near Las Cruces?
Yeah, well, depends on what you're looking for. We're in the space business since 1966, and we've been launching more than 500 sounding rockets. So we're in the suborbital business.
Right.
And we have, of course, all the kinds of facilities and the launchers and the communication centers and big antennas and anything you need for
Right.
these kind of activities. And of course also the safety matter. We have a Swedish space law.
Right.
So all those things are in place.
Okay.
We also have the airport where we will have the horizontal takeoff, because today it's vertical, of course.
Right.
And we have on our airport we have huge hangars. One is very huge and can host the largest plane of Boeing, and it is built some 20 years ago for space-related research. So we do research from not only balloons and rockets and from satellites, we do them from airplanes as well since 15-20 years ago. So it's a good place if you want to do science on the northern hemisphere.
Okay. You've covered the providers and why it's a good place to locate. What about the customers? What do you have for them?
Well, customers can be. Are you talking about tourists here?
Yeah.
Yeah, because customers can also be the scientific community, which are our customers since more than 40 years.
Right.
But looking into the new market with the tourists, we have some unique selling points that are very difficult to copy for the others, like the aurora,
Right.
like the midnight sun, and also we have Ice Hotel, which is an amazing creation of ice and snow that is built up every year this time of year, and that melts every spring.
Right.
So it's a piece of art, and it's an experience, and there's full of adventure on ground, like not only the tourist part like dog sledge riding and snowmobile and skiing and fishing, making holes in ice and fishing.
Cool.
It's also a matter of technical visits, so you could really dive into what is an aurora, how do we make satellites function in orbit, why do we have different kind of satellites,
Right.
would you like to send your small experiment on a balloon, for instance. We can tailor make your adventure on the scientific part as well.
Okay. How soon do you think you'll be flying Virgin Galactic out of there commercially?
As soon as they're ready,
Okay.
we'll be there.
Do you have any idea when that might be?
No, I don't.
Okay.
You will have to talk to the operators to get those kind of answers.
Okay.
But we're ready, and we know that they will start out from Spaceport America, our sister spaceport, and we know that as soon as they're ready, they'll come over to Europe, and we'll be there for them.
Okay. Great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.